dear students, are you ready to learn Unit 3rd Digital Documentation? Oh yes, that sounds good. First of all, I thank all my students of class 9 for the good response to online classes. I really appreciate you. Keep learning. May God bless you. Let me tell you one more thing, my dear students. If you have any doubt related to last 2 units, any topic, PDF file, anything, you can ask me for free. I will always be with you. Let's start today's video. Today I start 3rd unit topic, create a document using word processor. This chapter is dedicated to word processing and word processor, and also going to discuss word processing skills through openoffice.org means writer. First one topic, introduction. OpenOffice.org is an open source software, means free of cost. You can download easily through the internet, and many application programs have been developed to make writing easier and smooth operation. One such most popular program is word processor. A word processing software provides a general set of tools for entering, editing, and formatting text. Nearly all the document types that we use in our daily lives can be created in a word processor. Next one topic, how to download and how to install openoffice.org in our system. So don't worry, my dear friends, I already make a video related to this topic. I will give a link in a description and also a card. You can click here and you can watch this video and learn how to download and install openoffice.org in our system. Next one topic, what is a word processor? A word processor is a package that processes textual matter and create organized documents. A word processor has everything that a conventional typewriter has. In addition, it not only removes all the limitation of typewriters but also offers various useful features that cannot be even dreamed of with typewriter. Next one topic, features application of word processor. Now that you have started appreciating the word processor, let us delve deep to find more about word processor features. First one feature is fast. Typing text in a word processor becomes speedy as there is no mechanical carries movement associated. And second one, features editing feature. Any type of correction can be made easily as and when required. And third one feature, permanent storage. With word processor, document can be saved as long as desired. Next one feature, formatting feature. The typed text can be made to appear in any form of style, bold, italic, underline, different font, etc. And next one, graphics. Most modern word processors provide the facility of incorporating drawing in a document which enhance their usefulness. And next one, OLE means object linking and embedding. Most modern word processors provide facilities to link or embed object in a document. Next one, features spell check. Word processors are not only capable of checking spelling mistake but also can suggest possible alternatives for incorrectly spelled word. Some word processor can check the grammatical mistake and suggest alternative and improvements. And next one, mail merge. The mail merge facility enables you to print a large number of letter document with more or less similar text. And next one topic, working with writer word processor. Working with a writer word processor usually involves these steps. First one, creating or opening a document. You can create a new document, also open an existing document. And next one, typing text in it. And next one, editing the document if required, and last, saving the document for later use. Next one, topic parts of main window of Writer word processor. First one, this is a title bar located at the top of the screen. It displays the name of the application, OpenOffice.org Writer, and the active document untitled one. And second one, menu bar located below the title bar. It lists the writer menu options. And this is a standard toolbar. The standard toolbar consists of most frequently used commands and utilities. And next one is a formatting toolbar. Formatting toolbar consists the tool frequently used for the formatting document. And next one, ruler bar, allows to format the vertical alignment of the text in a document. It is used to get tab, stop, margin and indent. And next one, status bar. The status bar display information which include page number, the column and the line number on which your cursor is present at any given point of time. Next one is scroll bar. Scroll bar are used to view different areas of the active window. There are two scroll bar, a horizontal and a vertical scroll bar. And next one, work area, is the area in the document window within you enter the text of your document. Next one, topic creating new document. Here three methods for creating new document. First one, click a file menu, then new, and then click text document. This is the first way for creating a new document. And second one way, you can click this one button and create a new document. And third one, press a Ctrl N key. This is a shortcut key for creating a new document. Follow these steps for creating a new document. Let's do the practical and see how to create a new document. First of all, open the software, double click and click our text document. This is your document. And if you want to create a new document, click a file menu and then click new and text document. This is your second document, means new document. And second one method for creating a new document, click here this one button and create a new document. And third one method, press a Ctrl N and create a new document. Next one, topic word wrap and the enter key. On a typewriter, whenever you want to end a line, you need to hit the return key. In writer, when a word does not fit on a line, it automatically flows to the beginning of the next line. This process is known as word wrap. However, you need to press enter key and a short line, one that does not reach the right margin, and second one and a paragraph, and third one create a blank line. Next one, topic non-printing character. You can choose to have writer display a number of special characters on the screen that show the place in the text where you press the spacebar key, enter key or a tab key. These non-printing characters are often useful to see, particularly when you are working with heavy formatting document and need to keep track of your tab, space, blank line and so on. This is a document where I am using a non-printing character. To display writer's non-printing character, you can click on hide and show button in the standard toolbar. Each time you press enter key in the previous activity, writer placed a paragraph mark. Each time you press the space bar, writer placed a space mark means dot in the document. For each tab key, writer places a tab mark means arrow key. And one more thing, for a hide and show button, you can press a Ctrl F10 shortcut key. Next one topic, saving a document. Follow these steps for saving a document. First of all, click a file menu and then click save or save as option, and this dialog box will be appear. It is a save as dialog box, and here you can type a file name and then select a file extension. By default, the writer has extension .odt, and then click a save button and your file is saved. Next one topic, document view. A document view means to distinct appearance style of the document window on your display. Modern word processor provide different ways you can view your document and depending on your particular need. Here, three types of document views. First one, print layout document view. It is a default view of a document. This view shows the document as it will look if printed. That is, the border of a page show, header and footer are visible at their actual location, and the spacing appearance, etc. Next one view is a web layout document view. The web layout document view show the document in a way it will appear online. You can use this view to create, view and edit pages as they will appear online when opened in a browser. And next one is a full screen view. The full screen view is also known as read mode view in some word processor. In this view, you can read your document using the full screen of your system. In full screen mode, the document is displayed in the selected view, but the document file the entire screen. Toolbars and slide bar are not displayed in this view. Next one topic, closing a document. To close a document on which you were working, select close option from the file drop down menu, and the document file will be closed. In case you have not saved the document, writer will prompt you to do so. Click on save if you want to save the document, discard to quit without saving, and the cancel to abort closing the document and continue working. Next one topic, exit writer. Final step of every writer session to exit writer. Never turn off your computer without closing writer, as this could result in loss of one or more document. To exit from writer, you need to select exit from file drop down menu. The writer application disappear. In this video, you learn about what is word processor, features and applications, working with word processor and document views, etc. And in the next video, you will study about how to apply editing feature in our document. If you didn't subscribe this channel, please do it now, and also press the bell icon for the future update. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.